Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering the Chromebook and connecting to Wi-Fi so the system can update and verify your account. Once done, sign in with your Google account to sync bookmarks, passwords, and settings automatically. Make sure to accept system updates when prompted. Those patches improve performance and security. You should also set a simple PIN for quick unlock versus typing your password every time. Finally, check that keyboard brightness, touchpad sensitivity, and screen resolution match your preference before moving on. Now configure apps and storage to match how you work. Enable Google Play from settings to install Android apps like Microsoft Office or Zoom, and consider turning on Linux Beta to run developer tools or lightweight desktop apps. Once enabled, install Chrome extensions you rely on and pin frequent apps to the shelf. Make sure to review local downloads and clear large files, and set Drive to sync only necessary folders so your local SSD isn't consumed. These steps make the device responsive and tailored to your workflow. Finish by personalizing the interface and locking down security. You can change wallpaper and shelf layout, adjust accessibility options, and customize keyboard shortcuts so navigation is faster. Activate Smart Lock with your phone, confirm verified boot is on, and enable Find My Device for recovery. If performance problems persist despite updates, try one key troubleshooting tip. Perform a power wash to reset Chrome OS. This preserves your cloud data, but clears local settings and apps. Make sure you've backed up anything not synced before resetting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.